sa bagong pasabog ni DOE Garin dito po kay Lepeste. Oh. Noong nakaraan po, in-interview ni Pinky Web si Lepeste at nautal-utal po at talaga naiye sa kanyang salawal. Ngayon po, pakinggan niyo po ito.
Garin, Secretary Garin, magandang gabi po sa inyo at maraming salamat sa oras.
Good evening, Pinky.
Alright.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat.
So, Secretary, ito kung sinasabi niyo earlier that you will slap a penalty of about 24 billion pesos doon po sa kumpanya ni Congressman Leandro Leviste. To be clear, Secretary, anong kumpanya po ito?
It's Solar Philippines.
Okay.
That's the holder of the contracts.
Kasi po, kausap ko siya kahapon at inisa-isa ko nga yung kanyang mga kumpanya dahil it appears he has three. Solar Philippines, or he has or had three. One is Solar Philippines, the other one is SPNEC, at isa po yung Solar para sa bayan. Balikan lang po natin yung Solar Philippines na sinasabi niyong dapat silang magbayad ng 24 billion. Ano po bang nangyari? Hindi nila na-fulfill ang kanilang commitment of about what, 12,000 megawatts of energy?
Yes, 12,000 megawatts. It's basically equivalent to about a million households, 12 million households. Pinky.
Yan po yung sinasabi natin. Yan ba yung pinagmamalaki nyo ngayon, si Lepeste? Na perwisyo ang 12 million household na kailangan niyang supplyan ng kanyang solar energy. Pero ano pong ginawa? Ginosting. Ghosting. Alam niyo ba gaano kasakit yung ghosting? Nilantakan ka na ng ex mo tas bigla kang walang komunikasyon? Diba ang sakit noon? Nung nakaraan na nagyayakapan kayo, biglang nawala. Bigla na lang nawala. Aray ko. Diba? Ang sakit nun. Diba? Ang sakit nun. Nilalantakan ka ng ex mo, biglang nawala sa paningin mo, biglang hindi nagparamdam. Diba? Ito, ganito nangyari dito eh. Diba? Nawala yung ex mo, tas nagulat ka, sumama sa matandang matrona. Aray ko. Sumama sa matandang matrona na uod ng yaman. Yan ang nangyari dito. Ginosting ni Lepeste ang gobyerno. Tapos sumama sa Meralco.
So they had about 43 contracts, and as of this time, from 2024 to 2025, we have canceled 28 contracts. And all these contracts, kasi ang 28 contracts na yan, this is by virtue of a contract between DOE, each of that, no? DOE and Solar Philippines. And so far, as of today, overdue na nga kasi because they are supposed to deliver the power of many of those contracts in December 25, 2025.
Opo.
Today is 2026 already. There hasn't been any movement in terms of the project. Walang ni groundbreaking hanggang sa pag-on ng paglagay ng solar panels, nor has there any been response from the company up to the point that we terminated and still no motion for consideration or appeal.
So hanggang sa mga oras na ito, Secretary, wala pa rin pong nagiging tugon ang Solar Philippines dito po sa sinasabi niyong kinansela ng mga kontrata at posibleng penalty na 24 billion pesos.
No ma'am, there's no response at all. It's parang hindi lang pinapansin yung sulat ng or notice of the
Kita nyo? Hindi pinapansin ang sulat ng yung sulat ng DOE. Kasi nga po, wala na eh. Ginamit niya lang ang gobyerno. Wala siyang ginawa ng mga solar para sa mga taong bayan. Ginamit niya lang yon bilang advantage dito makakuha ng mga private company. Anong tawag doon? Kupal. Aray ko.
At
It's kind of
bago,
strange.
bago
Because
tayo
these are
magsimula,
contracts that we rely on. They have a commitment there. So nothing, no movement. It's like parang zombie contract lang siya.
Bakit ho kaya hindi kayo pinapansin at hindi kaya sila natatakot dito sa napakalaking amount that they would have to pay?
They're fully aware of what their liabilities are if they don't comply. Kasi it's stated in the contract and by law, all our developers are aware of that. That's why everybody's scrambling to finish on time kasi alam nila malaking penalties. But in this case, and some of the companies that we canceled kasi hindi lang yung sa kanya yung na-terminate namin, they're aware but they choose to ignore the notices and the query of the UE on the update. Wala pong update kami up to today.
So Secretary, dahil hindi ho pinapansin itong mga summons, show-cause orders na nanggagaling po sa Energy Department, what's next? What do you plan to do next?
What's next is we have, as far as the DOE is concerned, as to decision level, this is already final na kasi we've waited for them to file a motion for reconsideration, wala rin. So we will collect, but if they refuse to pay, then we bring it up to Solgen level or the DOJ level para determine what's the good legal recourse that we have.
Are you still giving them time to at least respond to the summons or the show-cause orders issued by the Energy Department?
No more, ma'am.
Ito
We
na po.
always Yeah, we always allow naman extensions if you just explain. And we do understand naman that there are things that are unforeseen or not within their control. Marami po kami contracts na ina-allow naman yan eh. But we've given them time, we've given them so many chances. And actually kami pa yung humihingi ng update eh, but nothing. So we've waited for so long and I don't think we can give so much credibility in any of their response.
Pero mo ganyan, no? Ganyan po ang hirap niyan, di ba? Naghihintay ka kay ex ng napakatagal, di ba? Di ba? Parang mala Gerald Anderson, naghihintay ka eh. Pinaasa ka eh. Mahal ka niya, mahal mo siya. Tapos bigla na lang siya mawawala. Magugulat ka kasama ng matroda. Gano'n po kasakit yun, di ba? Magugulat ka kasama. Nagkasalo. Ha? Sino yan? Lola mo? Uy! Di ba? Hindi ko lola yan. Yan ang aking sweetie pie.
Aray ko.
Di ba? Sakit nun. Di ba? Sakit nun. Ganun ang nangyari dito. Si Lipeste, na ipagkasundo, ginawa-jowa ang gobyerno. Tapos nung ginawa-jowa yung gobyerno, nag-angas-angas, nagkaroon siya ng credentials na siya ang may hawak ng 25-year franchise ng gobyerno. Ginamit niya yon as credential, ginamit niya yon as trophy para ipagmalaki sa mga private company na kami ang Solar Philippines, hindi nalulugi, malaki ang kapasidad para sa green energy, renewable energy. Ginamit niya yan kasi nga hawak kami ng gobyerno. Kung ang gobyerno nagtiwala sa amin, bakit kayong hindi mga private company hindi magtitiwala sa akin? Ganun po yan. Lantara ng paggamit ni Lipeste sa gobyerno. Yan po ang nangyari dyan. Parang si ex, may kasamang lola.
Aray ko.
Well, are you going to formally issue this penalty of 24 billion pesos to Solar Philippines, ma'am?
It's already been sent, the termination, along with the collection, with the fines that the dues
Patay.
that they should pay. If we don't get a response or payment within the time that has been prescribed, then we have to take this to court.
And what is the time prescribed?
I think ano lang eh, actually tapos na yung iba kasi last year pa na tapos eh. We've given them depende kasi sa contract iba-iba.
Okay.
But we've konti na lang yan. I think overdue na nga yata yan eh kasi ano na tayo January 15 eh. No? But we will ano na lang, we talked to the agencies already like DOJ and Solgen and they'll figure it out kung anong the best course to collect.
Secretary, yung pong isa pang kumpanya, yung pong SPNEC, kung saan pinagbentahan po niya ng shares ang Meralco Gen, is there a problem with that?
As to performance of the SPNEC, maganda yung performance ng SPNEC because I've been updated by Meralco constantly and they ask for help whenever they have a problem. I know that they're on track. We have some technicalities on the connection to the grid as of today, but this is a compliant company. Now, that doesn't mean that the ownership structure is compliant with the law. No? Kasi I think the Solar Philippines still has shares in that company and that's basically the beneficial owner of this company is one person. It's a public official that should have divested before.
Ibig sabihin po, dahil may shares ang Solar Philippines dito po sa SPNEC, yun po ang nakikita ninyong problema as conflict of interest.
Yes.
Ma'am, because Solar Philippines or all these companies are
O, kita mo, ikaw ang may-ari. Tapos ang up to date, nandun ka pa rin, meron ka pa rin, ikaw pa rin. Oh, di ba? Conflict of interest ka dyan, boy. Bukod pa yan sa pag-ghosting mo sa mga proyekto para sa taong bayan, sa solar ng bayan.
Aray ko.
are held by ownership yan, is under a holding company which is 99% owned by a single person.
Which is Congressman Leandro Leviste,
Yes.
to be
Yes.
exact.
O, kita mo, 99%, single person, ikaw. O, di-deny ka pa?
So yun yung problema po sa SPNEC. No problem with the performance. It's yung kumbaga sa simpleng pananalita, yung connection ni Congressman Leandro Leviste dito po sa
Kaya I
SPNEC.
don't want to involve the other investors or other shareholders. It's more of not the performance. Tama. It's more of like who owns it.
Yung pong Solar para sa Bayan, of course, this is a franchise granted by Congress in 2019. Both houses of Congress po ito and signed by then President Rodrigo Duterte. Kayo po ba, meron kayong nakikita dito sa Solar para sa Bayan?
As for DOE, there was never any application from Solar para sa bayan. Kasi every energy project naman dadaan sa amin yan kasi check namin on the technical, legal, and financial. Wala pong applications or anything that they process through DOE for Solar ng Bayan. So as far as we're concerned, there was nothing happening with that company.
And what does
Kita mo? Oh,
that mean? Number one, were they supposed to get some sort of or apply for an application from the Energy Department even if they were given a franchise by Congress and again signed by former President Duterte?
What's the point? No? What's the point of giving a franchise if you won't do anything about it? You might as well give it to others because there's a certain need there in the franchise that will be addressed. This franchise is supposed to energize our far-flung areas. At etong mga areas na to, naka-indicate yan sa franchise law na nakuha. So it's kind of unusual that a franchise holder does not deliver what's supposed to deliver. But I would leave it to Congress to determine if there was any violation or whether it's the performance or the non-divestment.
Wala na raw, isinara na daw po niya ito about 4 years ago.
Ayan na.
Itong solar para sa bayan.
That's the point. No, that's not the point. It's you have a you have a franchise. You're supposed, there's obligations and responsibilities.
Yan po siya. Diyan siya tapos. Pangalawa pa yan. Ayan po. Conflict of interest, then, sinara niya. Oo, sinara mo. Sinabi mo ba sa Kongreso? Tama, mali. Dapat sinabi mo sa Kongreso, Senado yan. Bakit? Para maibigay yung prangkisa sa iba. Diba? Para maibigay yung prangkisa sa iba. Oh. Pero hindi niya sinabi yon. At kung sinara mo yan, diba? Kasi pabago-bago siya eh. Nag-divest daw siya sa solar ng bayan. Iba na daw hanggang sa nasara. Pabago-bago ka. Diyan ka mayayari, lepeste.
Franchise. Kung magsara ka ng kusa, you have to tell Congress.
Oh, you have to tell Congress. Sasabihin mo sa Kongreso. Kasi nga, yan ay may privilege na binigay sa'yo. Kapag nawala ba yung lisensya mo, anong gagawin mo? Pupunta ka sa LTO, affidavit of loss, kukuha ka uli ng lisensya. Ganun yun. Privilege na binigay sa'yo yan eh. Iingatan mo dapat yan, pero siya binaliwala niya kasi nga, nalugi daw. Nalugi pala yung nagkaroon pa siya ng iba't ibang company. May nalulugi po ba? May solar ka na ng bayan, tapos nalugi ka. Nagtayo ka uli ng ibang company pa. Sa lahat naman po na nalulugi, ha? Sa lahat naman po na nalulugi, putik siya ang umuunlad.
Aray ko.
You're not going to, that you're giving up this, just don't unilaterally decide kasi binigay na nga sa'yo ng Kongreso. And Congress thinks about all these things before they give you a franchise.
So kahit po pala isinara na yon, kailangan pa rin ng pagpapaalam sa Kongreso. Hindi lang if you,
Yes.
you sell it to another company, you need the nod of Congress, you also need the nod of Congress if you close down.
Yes,
Or if you
yes.
close
Correct.
operations.
Whether you stop operations or you divest or you sell it, you have to tell Congress.
And are you, I know you said this is up to Congress, but what does the Department of Energy plan to do about that particular solar para sa bayan?
Where it's kind of irrelevant to us kasi wala naman contribution sa energy industry ang franchise na to. I wish it did, but wala.
Pero mo, walang kontribusyon, no? Hindi man lang nag-contribute po. Ganun po kawalang niya si Lepeste. Wala pong pagmamahal sa, sinasabi niyong pagmamahal sa taong bayan? Wala po siyang pagmamahal sa taong bayan. Walang ya po. Bakit? Wala po siyang ginawa para sa solar ng bayan na may umaasa pong 12 million residente. 12 million pong residente ang umaasa sa solar ng bayan. Wala po siyang ginawa. Ano inuna niya? Mas inuna niya po yung SPNEC, yung makikinabang siya dito sa kontrata ng Meralco hanggang sa pinagbili niya. Mas malaki ang pera eh. Pero sinasabi niyong concern, dahil yun ang pangako niya nung sinasabi niya, binubola-bola niya yung tatay niya si Digong, nakorduroy ang betlog, na ito daw solar ng bayan, makakatulong daw po sa ating mahihirap, konti ang energy makukuha dito, mababawasan ang kuryente. Ano nangyari? Oh, nag-away sila ni Marcoleta kahapon. Diba? Nag-away sila ni Marcoleta, sa kanan nila talakayin yun. Kasi nga, si Marcoleta, si tukay ng kuryente. Yung isa naman, renewable na kuryente. Hindi talaga magkakasundo yan. Tapos may gana pang magkaso kay si Lepeste, kay Yusek Ler. Are you crazy?
They don't have any activities concerning us kasi wala naman silang ginawa.
Ang sabi po niya on the last note, Secretary, he lost a lot of money daw doon sa solar para sa bayan, kaya isinara na lang eh.
Well, yeah, that's his commercial or investment decision. Ano?
Ay, Ma'am MCMLX, maraming salamat po. Thank you. Bye muna, Nyolo. Work farm time at the bed, 12:10:23. Sa side ko, may work ako maaga. See you next time. Thank you po.
And you have deliverables being a franchise holder. He could have informed Congress, I guess. That Congress should have been informed if they wanted to stop operations because Congress can give it to other companies.
Yes, yun po yun eh. Kaya mo i-report yun sa Congress para may investor naman na ibigay yung prangkisa. Hindi yung naka-stack lang sa'yo, wala kang ginagawa. kailangan po ipaalam mo yan sa Kongreso para in case, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, there will be a new investor that wants to invest in our country regarding renewable energy, they can give access to this new investor. Unlike this idiot Lepeste, which abused the franchise that is given by the demonic demon Digong. Your Honor, this case is really alarming, Your Honor, Mr. Chair. Because this newbie congressman is acting that he is a victim, but it's not. He is an accused of abusing of power and franchise, and not only that, a conflict of interest in order to gain for himself.
Nakaupo ako, lumalamon sila. Masasaya itong aking mga kaibigan. Abot kamay nila ang bunga ng puno, dahil balikat ko ang ginawang tuntungan. Habang namimitas lalong natatakam, sila ay para bang wala ng kabusugan. Kahit alam nilang mayroong mga langgan, at ang aking paa ang siyang inuupakan. Nais ko nang magpahinga, marami na akong nagawa at natulungan. Ako'y labis na nag-aalala, baka ang puno ay tuluyan ng maubusan ng bunga. Nakaupo ako, nagbabantay sila. Ang mga aso ko'y laging maaasahan. Hindi ko lang alam ang binabantayan. Ito bang puno o itong aking upuan? Itali ko kaya sa bahay ng langgam? Maglilingkod ba o maghahari-harian? Masasagot lamang ang malaking tanong kapag ako ay nawala na ng tuluyan. Nais ko nang magpahinga, marami na akong nagawa at natulungan. Ako'y labis na nag-aalala, baka itong mga aso ay maulol at magwala. Daming naupo, walang solusyon. Daming nangako, naging ilusyon. Ikaw ang sagot-lagot, sa aming tamong-tamong. Ikaw ang boses sa aming bulong. Nilalait ka at sinisira ng kinakaya mo para sa bayan. Ikaw ang aming tagumpay, bonbon, walang kapantay. Nilalait ka at sinisira ng kinakaya mo para sa bayan. Ikaw ang aming tagumpay, bonbon, walang kapantay. ang mga sugat. Ikaw ang lumunas, saradong isipan. Ikaw ang nagbukas. Bayan, inuna mo, hindi banyaga. Gintong puso ay kahanga-hanga. Nilalait ka at sinisira ng kinakaya mo para sa bayan. Ikaw ang aming tagumpay, bongbong walang kapantay. Nilalait ka at sinisira ang kinakaya mo para sa bayan. Ikaw ang aming tagumpay, bongbong walang kapantay. Nais ko nang magpahinga. Marami na kong nagawa at natulungan. Ako'y labis na nag-aalala. Baka itong mga aso ay maulol at magwala. Nakaupo